Hey there! Is your Panasonic TV causing you headaches by continuously turning off and on? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's guide, we're going to unravel the mystery behind how to fix Panasonic TV turning off and on, provide you with the essential steps to put an end to this annoying issue. Step 1. Check power connections. The first and easiest step is to ensure that all power connections are secure. Sometimes a loose plug or a faulty power strip can cause your TV to turn off and on sporadically. Unplug the TV and inspect the power cord for any signs of damage. Next, make sure the plug is firmly inserted into the outlet. If you're using a power strip, try connecting the TV directly to the wall outlet to rule out any issues with the strip. Step 2. Evaluate remote control and batteries. Believe it or not, your remote could be at fault. Check if the power button is stuck or if any buttons are malfunctioning due to grime or debris. Also, replace the remote's batteries with fresh ones. Sometimes weak batteries can send unintended signals. Additionally, make sure other remote control devices in the vicinity aren't interfering with your TV's functionality. Step 3. Inspect and reset power settings. Your Panasonic TV might be inadvertently set to turn off due to incorrect power settings. Access the TV menu using the remote control. Go to the settings and navigate to the power settings, or eco mode. Make sure energy-saving options like auto sleep or auto off are disabled. If you're uncertain about any settings, reset them to the default settings and restart your TV to observe if the issue persists. Step 4. Update TV software. Outdated software can sometimes cause functional glitches, including your TV turning off and on unexpectedly. Check if your Panasonic TV has the latest firmware version installed. Navigate to the Settings menu, select System Settings, and choose Software Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your TV's software. After updating, restart your TV and monitor its behavior. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your TV's software. After updating, restart your TV and monitor its behavior. Step 5. Examine internal system errors. If your Panasonic TV continues to reboot, it may be due to internal errors. Consider performing a factory reset to resolve any system errors. Caution: a factory reset will erase all your settings and customizations, so be sure to back up important data or note down settings beforehand. To perform a factory reset, go to System Settings and choose the Reset option. Follow the instructions to complete the reset and set up your TV afresh. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle the annoying problem of your Panasonic TV turning off and on. We've checked power connections, evaluated the remote, inspected power settings, updated the software, and even examined internal system issues. Remember to ensure all connections are secure and settings are properly configured. If the issue persists, it might be time to reach out to Panasonic support or consult a professional technician. Remember to ensure all connections are secure and settings are properly configured. If the issue persists, it might be time to reach out to Panasonic support or consult a professional technician for further assistance. Enjoy uninterrupted viewing with your now stable Panasonic TV.